future that's about to leave a mark. I've screamed into the void, but no one heard the call. The silence of the masses, now it's too late for us all. The gears are turning, grinding steel, a fate we built but can't repeal. Now we're standing at the edge, but they refuse to see it's real. It's like watching a car crash in slow motion, a nightmare unfolding, no devotion. I warned you all, but you chose to stay blind. Now the world is breaking, it's the end of time. The wires are cut, the systems fail. I see the cracks, the dam will sail. You laughed when I spoke of the fall, but now you're trapped inside these walls. They say I'm paranoid, deluded, but the truth's been coldly excluded. Now the countdown starts to end, and there's no way to defend. The gears are turning, grinding steel, a fate we built but can't repeal. Now we're standing at the edge, but they refuse to see it's real. It's like watching a car crash in slow motion, a nightmare unfolding, no devotion. I warned you all, but you chose to stay blind. Now the world is breaking, it's the end of time. Looking at neon lights, the truth was clear, but they chose the lies, refused the fear. Now the city burns, the sky turns red. Too late to change the path we tread. In the neon lights, the truth was clear, but they chose the lies, refused the fear. Now the city burns, the sky turns red. Too late to change the path we tried. It's like watching a car crash in slow motion, a nightmare unfolding, no devotion. I warned you all, you chose to stay blind.